Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make WereWere soup. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done so. And I hope you'll give this recipe a try if you haven't tried it before. It's very delicious, and I hope you like it. So let's get started. Alright, so for this recipe I'll be using chicken, and this is a broiler chicken that I've already washed, and I'll be using melon seed, which is called WereWere. And I have here 3 large onions, 3 large tomatoes, tomato paste, 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, homemade seasoning, chicken stock powder, garlic, green chilies, ginger, rosemary, and sage. So I'll start by transferring the melon seed onto a tray, and I'll be removing any foreign materials inside. So you have to make sure all the foreign materials are removed very well. Next, I'll transfer it onto another saucepan on a medium heat. I'll be toasting it for about 5 minutes, stirring it continuously. And making sure it doesn't burn. So you have to be keeping an eye on the heat so it doesn't burn. And as you can see, it's looking a little bit brown color, and at this point it's done. You have to remove it from the fire. And for the chicken seasoning, I'll be cutting some ginger, onion, garlic, and I'll add in the sage and thyme together, and I'll blend them. You can also use any meats or protein of your choice for this recipe. So I'll add in the rosemary and the sage. Now add in a little bit of water and blend them together. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Next, I've already washed my chicken, so I'll go ahead and add them to my saucepan. And to it, I'll add the blended mixture to marinate the chicken. So I'm rinsing the blender and add it to the chicken. Next, I'm going to be boiling the chicken on a medium to high heat, and I'm adding in my tomato paste, my chicken stock seasoning, homemade seasoning powder. Now also adding the 2 large onions, 3 tomatoes, and I'll give it a stir. And to my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'll be bringing you more amazing recipes. Next, I'll go ahead and wash the melon seed thoroughly. And by washing it, you remove any foreign materials inside again. Because sometimes it has some stones and other foreign materials in it, and you don't want that in your food. So I'll now transfer it into a blender. I'll add some water to it and blend it. And at this point, I've blended half part of it, and I'll transfer it into a bowl, and I'll be blending the next one. And you can add in as much water as you can, depending on the amount of soup you are making. So I'll stir it, and next I'll be straining it 3 times into another bowl. So you have to strain it to get rid of any particles left inside the chaff. You don't need the chaff, so I'll be straining it very well 3 times. And I've heard other people saying when cooking WereWere soup, you don't have to add some salt to the meat, but you can do that later because it can make the soup lumpy. The melon seed becomes lumpy. So, but I haven't done that before, and today will be my first time. So let's see how it will go. And once I'm done straining it, I'll be boiling it, or I'll simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding it to the soup, which is totally optional. You can add it straight to the soup, to the meat, but I prefer it boiling it before adding it to the soup. So this is optional, and it all works the same. So my chicken has been boiling for a while now, and I'm going to go ahead and strain or add the melon liquid to the soup. So now I'm going to give it a stir. And as you can see, it's looking fine. There is no lumps in the soup. It didn't have any lumps. So I think to to me it's fine. So yeah, just looking good at this point. Now I'm going to allow it to simmer. So next I'm going to remove the onion, tomatoes and the pepper, and I'll be blending it and I'll add it to the soup. And I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Don't forget to give me a like, share, comments and subscribe. It helps my channel. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it a lot. Next, I'm going to add in some of the green chili. And at this point, our WereWere soup is done with melon seed. And as you can see, there is no lumps in it. It's just fine. So go ahead and try this recipe and I hope you will like it. And you can have the WereWere soup with fufu, emutuo, or any food of your choice. So I will now serve it. I'll be serving it with fufu. And as you can see, it's looking so good, delicious, it's smelling so nice. And I hope you are liking what you are seeing. WereWere soup is so nice and delicious. Trust me, you have to give this recipe a try. And I hope you enjoy it. And thank you all so much for watching to this point. Yeah, so we are done. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.